let's continue building upon our simple web report. We're now going to try creating a new sheet to our report. We can perform this operation from either the Sheets panel on the left up here or from the bottom of the screen below the canvas here. Now we can switch back to the imported nodes while we're in this new sheet, and we can add another component, such as a data table. So we click this and we just drag and drop. So now we have the data table of printer reviews in our report. Now in the top right corner, you'll see some options for this component, such as the option to open the text panel. So we click that, and now what we can do is whenever we click on one of the cells in our data table, we can now see the contents of it a bit more clearly. Now that we've made some changes, we can choose to publish an updated report. All we need to do is click the publish icon again. And once it finishes publishing, we can view the published report by clicking on the report name. We now see that we have 2 pages with this data table is now in the second sheet. Let's go back to the report editor. Now we can view the publication history of our reports now that we've made at least one publication. And we can do this by clicking down here on the date to open the history, or we can right click and open the history like this. In our publication history, we can see things like the different publications, the dates, processing time, and the statuses. We can also choose to open one of our previous reports if we would choose. Now, since the default is to show the most recent report publication, all we need to do whenever we want to see the newest report is we just want to click on the report name to open it up. If we wanted to see a previous report, we would have to go to the publication history by right-clicking and selecting the history. Finally, if we want to share a published report with others who have access rights, we can either copy and share the link that's up here, or alternatively, we can share the link information from the menu option.